Hi guys, long time no see. It's been a while since I filmed a video. Okay, I'm here to do my October Ipsy bag, even though it's a little late. I tried to film this on Halloween, but every time I tried to film, like somebody kept constantly calling my phone, and then my kid woke up from his nap. So I just gave up. And even filming on Halloween was like really late in the month for me. I just really haven't been feeling like doing videos. I've just been so down in the dumps and in a rut, and I just hadn't really felt like filming. So even though it's a little late, it's the 3rd of November already, I'm gonna do my October Ipsy bag. I promised to do a November Ipsy bag on time this month. So you guys probably don't even care what's in here. You've probably seen everybody else's videos already, but it was a video for me to do, and I want to like stay on top of filming my Ipsy videos because like in the past when I did Ipsy videos, I would do one like, oh, February Ipsy, and then like months would go by before I did another one, and I don't want to do that. I want to try and stay consistent. So even though it's a little late, here it is. It's a really cute Betty Boop bag, and the back is sequins. It's cute. I like it. I was never a huge Betty Boop fan, but I mean, it's still cute. So the first thing I pulled out is this Context Matte Lipstick. The packaging is really cute. It's just sleek and black. The shade that I got is Come Clean. It's a really pretty nude color. Oh, it feels like the lipstick's actually broken already, so that's not good. Like, trying to swatch it, like, look at it. It's, like, falling over, so that's not cool. Oh. I don't know if I could fix that or not, but I'd be scared to try applying it to my lips. It is a really pretty shade, though. I feel like it might be too light for my skin tone, but I'd still give it a try. The next thing I see is this Benefit They're Real mascara. I am kind of over getting little sample size mascaras, just because I feel like I get one in almost every single bag. I might be exaggerating a little, but I feel like I get them so often. But I don't think I've tried this one yet. And okay, I do like the wand on this one. It's like a plastic wand, and I prefer that to a fiber bristle wand just because it just gets my lashes better. So I'm kind of excited for this one. I'll give it to him for this one, but I really don't want to see any more mascaras in my Ipsy bags. And then I got this Betty Boop and Ipsy nail polish. The packaging is really cute. It's got a little boop on it. Ooh, it is a really pretty color. It's a really pretty fall color. I got the shade Little Red Dress. And I have another shadow. I have another nail polish, almost the same color from Avon. But I'm going to give this one a try and see if it lasts on my nails a little bit longer. My nails are a little funky right now. I just haven't been in the mood to, you know, take care of them. But I really need to repaint them because they're a little jacked up right now. And then I got this First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. They help exfoliate, tone, and brighten, and they're alcohol-free and safe for sensitive skin. I love using these exfoliating pads, so I am excited to use these. I think I'm out of my Aveeno ones I had this big tub of. I really like the Aveeno ones, and they're really inexpensive, so I need to get more of those at Target. And then I have this Nomad highlighter in the shade Kiss of Sun. It's a really, really pretty color. It's going to be hard to see with my light. It's like a pinky shade with like gold shimmers in it. I'll try and swatch it for you, but it might be hard to see still with my ring light. Let me see. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. It's really pretty. I'm excited to try this on my face. So overall, not the worst bag I've ever gotten, but it's not my favorite bag I've ever gotten either. I'm excited for November's bag when that gets here, and I'm going to do my best to not peek. Sometimes I'm bad and I peek on the Ipsy app, and I know what I'm getting ahead of time, but then by the time I get the bag, I like forget what I saw. But this time I'm not going to look at all because I don't want to know. I just want it to be a surprise. And this time I will do a November bag on time. Again, you guys probably don't care about this anymore because you've seen everybody else's by now. But I still wanted to do it because I want to stay consistent with filming my Ipsy videos. I was so bad about it in the past, and I did my September bag, so I wanted to do my October bag, even though it's November 3rd. I did get a new purse recently, so you may be seeing a what's in my bag video again soon. I just love those videos. I feel like I do them a little often, but I love watching those videos. Like, who doesn't like to see what other people have in their purse, you know? And, you know, and then over time you acquire like random other crap in your purse. So I don't know, I just thought one of these days soon I may be filming another what's in my purse video. I got the purse on Amazon. It's really cute. It was like 45 or 50 bucks, but it's really well made. It's kind of flashy. I actually got compliments on it at the grocery store today when I went to pick up my medicine, so that was pretty cool. It made me feel good that people were noticing my purse. I'll wipe all that off. But yeah, I'm actually going to go brainstorm some ideas for videos. I miss doing videos. I miss being on here. It always makes me so happy making videos and like getting feedback from you guys and just chatting back and forth with you guys. It makes me happy and I miss it. So I'm going to go brainstorm ideas. And also, public service announcement. I did recently get a comment on one of my videos saying, "Oh, is your makeup for Halloween? You need to tone it down, honey." I did delete the comment because otherwise I probably would have gotten rude back to the person, and there's no need for that. You don't have to like my makeup. I like the makeup that I do. You don't have to, but there's also no need for you to comment on somebody else's makeup. Like, you may not like it, but you also don't have to say anything about it. You know, I can do bright red eyeshadow if I want. I could have pink in my crease and black on my lid, and that's what I like. So if you don't like it, just keep your mouth shut. Keep your fingers off the keyboard. You don't have to say anything negative about somebody's makeup. You know, like right now, it's hard to see because I kind of fell asleep a little bit. I had green in my crease with black on my lids. You don't have to like it. I do. No, it's not for Halloween. It's because that's what I freaking like to do. I mean, have you seen Jeffree Star? He does crazy ass makeup. I don't go that far, but I do what I like, and you're not going to bring me down by giving me negative comments about my makeup. Just saying. So you can keep your negative comments to yourself. If you want to compliment me on my makeup, great. If you have something negative to say, keep it to yourself. Thank you. Have a great day. And I'll see you guys in my next video.